Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack Nancy indaba sihlazini nendaba Thabo Bester no Nandipha that just came up. And I had actually seen the documentary Ilobebe Kombisa Showmax, but I didn't think it was a big deal, because nango senzo angit yenziwa a documentary, but I guess at the same time it's different things, guys. So now Nandipha and Thabo Bester's legal teams are threatening to take MultiChoice to court if they don't release the documentary to their legal teams. So illegal team Gama Goodman, more especially is the one ngati ihamba phambili kakhulu. They expected the copy today on the 9th to be released to them. The copy of the documentary series. Apparently the series is in 4-part. It's a 4-part series called Tracking Thabo Bester. So basically the whole life yakhe, escaping in the prison break. Movie or what's going on with him. Sometimes this guy, I'm just like, wow, guys. How did we even get here? So Thabo Bester, guys, so it's called Tracking Thabo Bester. I-prison break yakhe la yenza laphana eshisana nezidumbu zabantu kaTlokobering. The next thing kuthiwa wafa uThabo Bester engafile ehleli la kule ndlu yakhe ayihlala kuyona la ePie Park no sisters that they were renting. How can you rent a house, guys, for 60,000 rands? Who does that? Like, why would you do that? And like, go cook bond or build some house somewhere. So they were given 2 until 2 p.m. today on the 9th. Benikezwa ubani legal team Gamagudumani. The series is said to be a 4-part, like I said. Apparently, Nandipha was very upset actually when she heard about this thing, because I'm sure by Boogie TV, those people are living it up on those jails. TV. So I'm sure she was watching TV. We about Showmax. She was like, "What? Wafonela illegal team because the guy, the lawyer, was actually saying she was very upset. She was very, very upset. So the lawyer is like, this thing is also gonna jeopardize the whole process. Yeah, baby court on the 5th of June. Sorry. So now the documentary is just gonna do other things. And Nandipha words where they can't release that documentary without her consent. So this is why they want the copy, so that they can see what guys, like how is that even gonna work? Now what happened? I mean, I'm just like, I don't know. So, and the documentary has been circulating already on social media, guys. Nandipha's legal team said if they don't get the copy of the documentary like they had asked, they will consider other options. So obviously, I mean, they're taking the legal route. It's obvious. So I don't know what you guys think about it. I was just like, let me just share with you what has been going on the whole day. There's a story about I was like, and I had seen the documentary on Showmax. I mean, I need to, as you might have seen, I also do reality shows. So I'm always on Showmax checking like what's going on. And I saw it about Bester behind bars. I was just like, I'm done. Like, what is this now? And I didn't even think it was that serious until this came today. So I know, actually, we gave them until 2 p.m. So asazi ukuthi bayilethile yini copy documentary ke ukuthi illegal team kaMagudumane ebabona. So apparently both the teams though, including Thabo Bester's one, they're like, no, you can't go ahead with that. Like, why would you decide on things like that? It's the same as the book. Remember the book as well. Thabo Bester was like, please guys, like, do you know me? You do know me, grade 5. You don't know. You know nothing about me. You can't just decide to go to Nyangas. so you can't be releasing anything. So I'm just like, also these people, banemali. If you are still usafuna nama legal teams, and I mean I wouldn't care, guys, I would just stay in jail. Ayo. I'm just like, so the question now around that's going on with the people who know law, they like how. So do they have the case though? These two, can they stop this now? Ngoba phela nge-15 iyadlala i-documentary, guys, and sinasobukela. I understand. So bukela noma yini sitshelo i-documentary. Obviously, you know how it is with documentaries. Bafaka nama-spices, nama-aromats, bafaka into zapho, nama-norox, ayikho into abangayifaki, no-curry powder. Bayidecide ukuthi this is what happened on the prison break, Thabo Bester, Ejola Nandipha wakhe, all of those things. They I think that's the problem, because on Nandipha, they like, you can't be telling our story like you know us. I was none of us. Is that the truth? Is that what happened? Are you sure? So we'll never know for sure. So I'll link then, guys, and say you must just let me know though what you think. Thank you, guys.
Morning and good morning to your viewers. Obviously, upon receiving or being aware of this documentary, Dr. Makudumana was quite upset, to be frank and blunt with you. She didn't take it well, particularly based on the fact that the trial is still yet to commence, and now we have a documentary series that purports to reveal some details of evidence that is not yet before court tested or challenged. So on those basis, she felt that this is in correspondence to MultiChoice and to Showmax, and obviously the matter we consider to be sub judice at the moment, except to say that we are taking a legal challenge to having this documentary be played before we can even have a side of the documentary, our correspondence to MultiChoice. That if you check on the website of Showmax, for instance, they're making a very startling announcement. Trying to sell the story, to say, amongst others, they are going to show how a celebrity doctor fell for a convicted criminal and left her children behind to go on the run with him, and who really died in cell 35. Those are startling claims that Showmax is making. In actual fact, Showmax is actually saying to you, to the public, we are going to show you exactly what happened, and we are going to give you evidence. We are going to show you how guilty a person is before an accused who has a right to. I think it suffices to say we're talking here of an offensive conduct that infringes on an accused person to accused person's rights to a fair trial. That's the heartbeat. That's the basis of our legal challenge. Now, I've just quoted a punchline on their website, where they're saying they're going to show how. Now, the reporting that has been coming through was not a reporting, outside the documentary series. There's never been a reporting that seeks to claim that whatever they are reporting on is accurate, is correct, and has been proven beyond reasonable doubt. But if you read your closer reading of this passage on their webpage, say something else. Surely this talks to the infringement of accused right. Legal question. It's a legal question. By the way, even your own, I don't know if they managed to answer you on the legalities of this, your own guests from, this documentary series, if they were also at liberty to respond to you on the legal issues that emanate from legal question. It's a legal question. By the way, even your own, I don't know if they managed to answer you on the legalities of this, your own guests from, this documentary series, if they were also at liberty to respond to you on the legal issues that emanate from the case through the media. All that we are saying is that we have made a request for a copy of this documentary series to be made available to the legal team, for us to be in a position to then have the insights of what the documentary series is about. It could be well and good that what they are promising there on their webpage is not actually there on the decision. Whether or not what is in that documentary series, is it really offensive to the accused rights to a fair trial or not? So we are not even there yet, but we are saying we are well and good within our rights to demand a copy before